Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop. Welcome to issue 79 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build this along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link below in the description. Pop, and you too can have one of these on your bench. Have a scoot through today's magazine, which is Batman's Anniversary from the TV show. Catwoman there from the great Batman comics. Batman Year by Year 2005. Rather sinister looking there, isn't he? Infinite Crisis is the magazine. There you go, Confusion and Danger. What have we got today? We've got the upper dashboard, homing receiving buttons, round buttons and triangular buttons. And this is where we're going to be going on our Batmobiles today with all the buttons and the switches. We're going to need our dashboard from last time out to join these two together. And that's what we're going to end up with at the end, folks, okay? So, let's grab our bits and pieces and start a bit of assembly, eh? Right, so let's bring these in. We've got 79B here, which is this bad boy. So let's bring that into play. The big old switch there. Let's get that the right way round. There's a little dimple on it as well, so we just want to make sure that is going the right way round. And there's some writing on there, so we want it that way up. And then we can push that in there. There you go, we're in. So that's that done. We then got our green buttons going in, which are one each side for the indicators. Let's try and get those orientated. And again, just try and level them up as best as you can, folks. So let's try and get this to line up. I'm just pushing on the edge of the triangle so that when I push it in, it's as correct as it can be, because yeah, it will mess with us, won't it, folks? Let's put that one in, do the same on there, and then line that up as best we can. Just push that point up like that, a little bit more. Let's come around a tad. Bit wonky still, isn't it? Because it does mess with us, doesn't it? Be cool if they had done them as semicircles, wouldn't it? Right. So that's them done. We've then got colour. Red, blue, silver, green and orange going on there. So I'm just going to pop that to the side, just so that I can see the order that they go in. We're going to start with red. So we'll have the red one. So cut them off with your sprue cutters, like that. And we're popping the red one in. So and what I can do once these are all in, oh, they're actually nice resistance fit. I was going to say I would have gone round the back with some glue and just popped them all in, but they seem to be a really good resilient resistance fit there. So let's just pop that out of the way and rest them on me covers, because I want to knock me god hands off the bench, because yeah. Like that. Bing, straight in, lovely. So that's blue. Silver next, which is the end one. was tempted to replace these with actual LEDs. I might still do that yet, I don't know, we'll see. But the triangular ones would be quite difficult to replicate, wouldn't they? So, and it's one of them, how often am I going to actually switch them on? There you go. Let's just press that fully home, like that. Pink. There you go. And then we got green, and then we got orange. Pink. Looking rather nice already though, isn't it? Like that. And last but no means least, we've got orange. Just like so. Right, get the brush out, get rid of any dust and detritus that is lurking. And now we're going to retrieve the previous issue's dashboard. So turn that upside down like so, and your dashboard with the two buttons facing downwards. Line all the ears up, top, middle and bottom, so to speak. And then we'll grab our CP screws. So let's grab one of those to start. Okay, we'll grab two then, Cole. A little bit of oil. Pop. And we'll start screwing this home. Like that. So give that a little squeeze. Line the screw up and send it fully home. Do the same with the next one. Pop. Feed that in there. And then do the same with that one. Pop. There you go. Pop that in there. And that is that secure. So that's that stage done, folks. So that's what you're going to end up with today on your bench. Looking rather nice, isn't it? So don't forget, if you want to grab one of these and build one of these along with me, folks, hop over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can have one of these on your bench. Don't forget also to help me out. If you can just click a little faster and subscribe to the channel, I'll be immensely grateful. Helps me keep the channel alive. Be notified of future content. Give the bell a ring. Select all. That way you'll get notifications of all the video content that keeps coming up. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.